Hello friends. Now we'll discuss about pair of simultaneous linear equations which already we have discussed. Now we will discuss the consistency and inconsistency. Consistent means two pair of linear equations have a solution. At least one solution. That is consistency. So now if we take two pair of linear equations, one is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and if we solve them, we are getting two situations. One is x is equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Another situation is y is equal to this. But go through this one. Both the denominator contains this product of, if we cross this one, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So now what happens? If this is equals to 0, then both the values will be undefined. That's why first condition to get the unique solution is a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. That is a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1 must be non-zero. And in that case, we'll get two equations and they will meet at one point. And we'll say the system is consistent. It has a unique solution. The graph the coordinates of P that is the meeting point of these two lines A comma B, and x is equals to A, y is equal to B is the solution of the system. So algebraically we have to found that A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, and when you draw the graph they will meet at a point. So in this case we can say that these two lines are non-parallel lines. So this is the condition of non-parallelism of two lines. Now if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. In this case, the lines are parallel. They never intersect. The system has no solution. solution. This system is inconsistent. So, condition of inconsistency is condition of inconsistency. It is condition of no solution is A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. Let's see an example. 3x minus 5y is equals to 2 and 6x minus 10y is equal to 5. So if you see what is the value of A1 is 3 and A2 is 6. 3 by 6, so that is half B1 by B2 minus 5 minus 10. Here the coefficient is, don't take only 5, the negative of 5 and negative 10. So if you simplify this one, you get 1 by 2 again. And C1 by C2 is equals to 2 by 5. So here B1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to half, and C1 by C2 is equals to 2 by 5. So this implies 1 by A2 C2. Another case, here two lines A1x, B1y, C1 is equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0, and if it happens that 1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. In this case, we will say the graph of two lines overlap or coincident. Look at these two graphs. One draw for this one in color red and the green, and they overlap each other. Here, all the points of one line meet. Corresponding points of another line. the system has infinitely many solutions. Since at least one solution is consistent, so the system is consistent. But one line is depend on the other. Look at the overall result of this one. First one, 1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Then the two lines intersect at a point and exactly one solution. In this case, graph will meet at one point. Second condition, if it happens to the coefficients that 1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. In this case, we'll get two lines are parallel. So they have no solution. And if it happens that 1 by a2 is equal to b1 by 2 equal to c1 by 2, all the coefficient ratios are equal. Same in this case, we'll get the two lines overlap each other, that is coincident lines, and so it has infinitely many solutions. So this is consistent, and this is also consistent. And this is the case of inconsistent. Okay, thank you.
For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.